So the other type of conjunction is called a subordinating conjunction. And subordinating conjunctions are used to connect a dependent clause to another clause. A dependent clause, in case you're not familiar with that, it has a subject and a predicate, but cannot stand alone. So it has a who and what they're doing, but it doesn't make sense yet. It can't stand by itself, so it's called a clause. So here are some examples of subordinated conjunctions that are used to connect these clauses together. The word because, words like before, during, when, and while, and the words although and unless. So let's start with the word because. The subordinating conjunction because is used to explain why. In fact, we use the subordinating conjunction because all the time. So here's an example. Raccoons don't mind living in populated areas because they aren't afraid of people. Then we have the subordinated conjunctions before, during, when, and while. And those are used to show time, which makes sense. They all are connected to time. So an example of using one of these subordinated conjunctions is when deer cannot find food in their natural habitats, they will often go looking for it in people's yards. So it's telling you when they do that. It's showing time. Our last subordinated conjunctions, although and unless, are used to show contrast. Although some animals avoid living near humans, other animals are comfortable being near people, showing you two opposites, showing a contrast. So those are examples of subordinating conjunctions. Now let's move on to the next slide and give some of these conjunctions a try.